Welcome back again to Lex V Designs. To my returning subscribers, I am so grateful. To my new subscribers, thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to be learning how to put an invisible zipper with the manual machine, even without the zipper foot. It is very much possible. You see, I'm using one hand to even open the zip, and it's very easy to open. So let's get right into the video. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe. Okay, let's get started. Thank you. So if you're working with this type of machine, has this other foot, zipper foot, where you can easily use your zipper foot to fix your machine, to fix your zip rather, please. So quickly I'm going to be removing this other machine foot, and I'm going to be replacing it with the zipper foot. You can check the mirror so you can see where I'm pressing to release the footer to come out, so I can replace it with the other foot. So I am putting this machine foot, this zipper foot now. Now this zipper foot you're seeing here is not always like this for all the machines. Now for this machine you can see, it has this unique zipper foot. For other machines it differs. Okay, so I'm going to quickly put this, and so that we can get started. Now look at the zip that we're trying to fix here. This is an invisible big head zip. You can see the head is a bit bigger than the normal invisible zip. There are smaller invisible zips. In this video I'm going to be concentrating on sewing this zip on the manual machine without the zipper foot. It's possible. I'm coming out by 1 inch here. I'm going to be marking it. You can easily mark it if you don't know where to start from. Now I'm starting from the tip to mark where I want my zip to stop. So at 22 inches I just marked it. So I just measured the zip with the way where I marked on this fabric. Now I'm going to start from that side I marked to sew down. I'm going to stitch it up, but downward. The upward part is for the zipper. Now from here downwards I'm just sewing in by 1 inch. Now if you can't do this without pinning it or marking it, kindly go ahead and mark it or pin it so that you can know where your 1 inch is, then sew straight down. So while I'm at this, if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And for my returning subscribers, in fact, I'm so blessed to have you. Thank you so much for always coming back to check on the new videos I've dropped. So right now from the tip this way, I'm going to be fixing the zip. I'm going to be marking the 1 inch and notching it so I will know where I'm going to start from. Now again, make sure that you check your zip before fixing it. If not, you will end up wasting a whole lot of time fixing the zip, and then you find out that the zip doesn't have, it's stiff or it can't swiftly open, and then you have to start struggling to lose it again. So make sure that you open it. So on this side, so what I did now, I'm going to be placing this on that side that I've notched. I'm just going to place it on that side and make sure that you follow 1 inch down. You can go ahead and pin this 1 inch so that it doesn't shift. If you feel that your hand may shift, you can go ahead and pin it, then wait till you become perfect before you can start sewing it down this way. Okay, so right now I'm just placing this footer on top of the zip. Now I'm placing the longer footer on top of the zip, while the shorter one, you can see the shorter one is not on top of the zip, is lying on the other side of the zip. Is lying on the other side. I wish there is a way I can zoom it, so you can see it. So this part is sitting on top of this zip in the middle, while the other side is on the other side. Now I'm just going to be sewing straight this way. Just make sure that you position that machine foot very well at the middle. You can see that it's already happening. So with your manual machine, you can easily fix a zip without even the zipper foot. So it's possible. So right now, I'll just finish up down here, and then I'll go over to the other side. So I'm going to be turning this. I'm just making sure that I have 1 inch at the other side. So I'll just turn it. Look at the ending side. I'll turn it, then sew on it as well. I'll be sewing on this straight from here. Don't forget that I'm starting from the bottom side of the zip now to sew upward. Please make sure that you have pulled it very well. Not that you pull the zip, please don't pull the zip, but make sure that you have positioned the zip very well, so that one side does not come out longer than the other. You can go ahead and pin this. Okay, so don't forget that you keep one foot, that is the one that looks a bit fatter, on top of the zip. Then the slimmer one goes right beside it. You can see, so that you can sew very closely to the zip, very closely, so that it comes out very nice. Now you will discover that I'm not going to be sewing this to the tip of the zip. This is because the zip, I didn't open it, and even if I opened it, it would have stopped one side. So I'm going to just sew to this part and then stop. The two sides, you can see I didn't sew them, so I will just turn it. Now look at how the zip came out. So you can from top to bottom, you can see it now. It's still very much equal. So I'll be putting this leftover inside the fabric. You saw the way I just put it. Let me do that on both sides. I'll just put it inside the fabric, and then I'll put this other side too inside the fabric. You can even go ahead and tack it, but I'm going to open the zip. So I will put it inside this way, folding it inside, so that I can continue to sew on it, still very closely to the zip. So you're seeing what I'm doing. So I'm going to be placing this. I'll put it inside. Make sure that you tuck it inside very well, then you sew on top of it. And once I'm done with this side, I'll also be doing the same thing on the other side. You can go ahead to double stitch. In fact, double stitch every part, the top, even the beginning side. Anytime you're starting to sew your zip, just try to double stitch. So you see the way it came out so closely to the zip, and it comes out neat. So you can also do this on this other side. Don't forget to tuck it in and slowly work your way up to the tip. Don't forget to double stitch. Now I'm going to turn this dress so that you see how it came out. And this is it. You can see it. It came out very neat and simple. You can easily open the zip. Now, this is all for this video. You can see it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for always coming back to check out my new videos. I am so grateful. So till we see next time. Bye.